maybe go a little north of us here. That is a very large tornado. We're getting hailstones. Going a little bit more that way. Yeah, we were pretty far away from it, but yeah, that is, wow. Beautiful. Oh God, it's gonna hit something here. Yeah, I would have to agree with you there. Yeah, I had a feeling any tornado that would hit the ground would have a potential to be violent. Yep. What's that? Yeah. Ooh, wow, look at that inflow. Wow. It's getting a little smaller now. It looks like it might be occluding a bit. But actually, I mean, if you look around, that's actually a bigger tornado than it looks. Look at that. You can see that whole tornado goes all the way over there. You can see that tornado is actually probably about a mile wide. Look, because the condensation funnel, but you can see